Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing a common issue in Windows 10, where the Wi-Fi option is missing from both the taskbar and settings. This means you can't see any Wi-Fi networks listed in the Network and Internet section. Let's dive into how you can resolve this issue. First, we need to check if the issue is with Windows 10 itself or with your computer's hardware, such as the network card. To do this, open the Start menu, search for CMD, and open the command prompt. Type the command ping 127.1.1.1 and press enter. If you get a reply, your hardware is fine, and it's just a Windows issue. Let's move on to fixing it. Step 1. Reset Advanced Network Settings. Open the Start menu, then search for Control Panel. Navigate to Network Options, then go to the Advanced tab. Click on Restore Advanced Settings. If this doesn't fix the problem, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Restart WLAN AutoConfig service. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type services.msc, and hit OK. This will open the list of Windows services. Look for WLAN AutoConfig. If it's not running, right-click on it. Go to Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Then click Start. Click Apply, then OK, and restart your PC. If the service is already running, move to the next method. Step 3. Enable or re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then change adapter options. Here, locate your Wi-Fi adapter. If it's disabled, right-click and select Enable. If it's already enabled, disable it and then re-enable it. This may refresh the adapter and make Wi-Fi networks visible again. Step 4. Update the network adapter driver. Press Windows plus R, type devmgmt.msc, and hit OK. In the Device Manager, expand Network Adapters to find your Wi-Fi network adapter. It might be labeled as Broadcom, Realtek, Intel, or similar. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Since you're not connected to Wi-Fi, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose a previously working driver and click Next to install it. Restart your PC to check if the issue is resolved. If the issue persists, go back to the same adapter, right-click, and select Properties. Navigate to the Power Management tab and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and test again. If that doesn't work, uninstall the network adapter driver by right-clicking and selecting Uninstall Device. Restart your PC and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Step 5. Perform a network reset. If none of the above steps work, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Windows will restart and reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi adapter. Step 6. Reset network sockets. Open CMD as an administrator by searching for it, right-clicking, and selecting Run as administrator. Then type the following commands. netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. netsh int IP reset reset log txt. Press Enter. Restart your PC and check if the Wi-Fi option appears. Step 7. Download and install drivers manually. If the Wi-Fi option is still missing, use another computer to download the network driver for your laptop or motherboard. Visit the manufacturer's website. Enter your model number and download the latest network drivers. Transfer them to your affected computer and install them. Step 8. Enable all services in msconfig. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig, and hit OK. Go to the Services tab, then click on Enable All. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your PC and check if Wi-Fi networks are visible. These are the most effective methods to fix the issue of the Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 10. I hope this video helps you resolve the problem. For those still watching, I wish you all the best in the coming year. Happy New Year in advance, stay happy, and stay safe.